and then you should log in, and AutoCAD should be ready for your use. When AutoCAD finish initialization, you will now see this desktop, which is your AutoCAD desktop. And this is not exactly your Autodesk or AutoCAD for web. This is now a full version of AutoCAD, which is more powerful, and it doesn't run on your Chromebook, and it does run over the internet. So we are actually logging into a computer in school that is powerful enough to run AutoCAD. Now, as you can see, there are no buttons here, and all the buttons are on top here. This is called your ribbon, and you can try to remember where each button is. But how we normally do it is if you wanted to draw a line over here on the bottom, command prompt, okay, over here, you will type in LINE, press enter, and it would allow you to draw a line just like what you did in AutoCAD Web. Okay, you can draw a line, and when you are done, you will simply press escape. Okay, the zoom commands can also be accessed. Okay, on the command prompt down here, you can type in ZOOM enter, and then you will have the options to choose here. If you want to see all of your objects, you wanted to click on the option extents, click that one, and all your drawings will be shown to you. If you just want to go out a little bit from your drawing, okay, that means zoom out, you will simply type in ZOOM enter, and then the option is basically you're going to zoom out, okay, zoom out. So you can do previous, and it'll just go back to whatever previous. Or if you just want to zoom out a little bit on this right side of your screen, if you hover over this one, this will highlight. And if you click on the magnifying lens with the four arrows on it, you can pull that down and choose zoom out here, and that will just further zoom out. If you want to go back and zoom in, you can just click this one again and click zoom in. And if you want to look at all your screen, you can just go here and pull this down and click zoom extends. It will show you all your screen. Okay. So just like in AutoCAD Web, if you want to erase something, you will click the erase button, or in AutoCAD Desktop, you will just type in ERASE, press enter for erase, and then simply select each object you want to erase. And once all of the objects have been selected, okay, you can simply press enter, and it should erase the object for you. So again, if you want to make a circle, type CIRCLE, circle, enter, pick the center, drag your mouse, or type your number, and then you would have a circle. If you want to erase that, you can simply erase it again. Okay, you can draw a line, L, enter is a shortcut, and then draw a line, press escape to stop the line. Another line, press L, enter, and then draw a line. And if you want to trim, you can type in TRIM, enter, or you can type in TR is a shortcut, and simply click on the objects you want to trim. So nothing is really changed, and all you have to do is instead of clicking buttons, you will have to type the commands that you want on the bottom over here, and try to use the full AutoCAD version to do your next set of exercise.